So all I'm doing in this movement is I'm extending one leg out to squeeze my glutes and tighten my core. Pretend you have a cup in the back of your lower back. And all I'm doing is I'm pointing my fist straight ahead so that I can target the muscles of the back near the shoulder and near your shoulder blades. Feel free to take breaks if you need to, but the idea is to keep your body straight and contract the muscles in front of your thigh as well as behind your hips. Again, with the shoulders, I'm starting this movement by squeezing back and opening into a T. Look to your left to ensure that the thumb is pointed up and that the wrist and shoulders make a straight line. Let's bring it all together. Simply repeat in the other side for the specified duration that your program says. That's it. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.